Okay, so right now I'm getting ready to do a skim fade. I created my first initial guideline off camera with the T-Outliners. Now I'm going in with my Andis Masters all the way open to create my second guideline. Now I have it all the way closed to knock out that guideline that I made with the T-Outliners. I'm flicking back and forth between it all the way open and all the way closed just to make sure we have an even blend from it all the way open to the T-Outliners. So right now I'm going to put on my zero guard all the way open and create my third guideline. One thing to remember when fading is that you don't want to dig into the hair, but you will want to go in a scooping motion so you don't create any harsh lines. Now I have the clippers all the way closed and I'm blending down to get rid of my second guideline. So now I have my guard back off to go back in and make sure that we have a smooth blend coming down from our second guideline. Again, flicking back and forth between it all the way open and all the way closed to make sure our blend is even. So now I'm going to go in with my number one guard all the way open to get rid of that line that we see there. Again, you want to make sure that you're going in a scooping motion because you don't want to create any harsh lines. Also combing consistently to get rid of all loose hair so we see what else needs to be faded. Now I have the clippers all the way closed and I'm coming down to make sure that we blend out that guideline we just made. Again, flicking back and forth just to make sure we have an even blend. Now I have my zero guard on all the way closed. So now what I'm gonna do is go in with my Wahl Cordless Designers with a 1.5 blade all the way closed and blend out that bulk that we see up there at the top. Now I'm going to switch back over to my Andis Masters with the number one guard all the way open. Now I'm going to go in with my shear over comb technique and blend out any hairs that the clipper isn't catching. Now I'm going to go back in with my number 1 guard all the way open, again just to make sure that we have an even blend. Now we're going back in with the number 0 guard all the way closed to make sure that we knock out all inconsistencies in our fade. Now we're switching back over to the Wahl Designer's 1.5 guard all the way closed, just to make sure that we haven't missed any hairs the first time. Now I'm going to pop on my number 1 guard on the Wahl Designers and blend out again. Now I'm going to line up his arch with my Andis T-Outliners. When doing this, you want to be very careful not to overarch it. Now I'm going in with my number 0 guard to do a final cleanup. I completed the rest of this haircut off of camera. I hope you guys liked the end result. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, stay tuned for more videos to come. Thank you.